Our customer is one of Australia's largest equipment hire and solutions providers, servicing the mining infrastructure and construction sectors. The company offers end-to-end solutions for hire, temporary works engineering, industrial shutdowns, and training.
When we started this project with our customer, they were facing significant business challenges. The inventory management system inside their industrial services division wasn't scaling with their business needs anymore and was reaching end of life after 25 years of good service. Their legacy system was critical to their industrial operations, and the issues they were facing affected a wide number of topics from cost management, service quality, performance, and customer satisfaction, all of which were key parts of their strategic initiatives and ultimately their competitive edge. When they're using the system to execute one of their core processes, which is shutdowns for large customers, the slightest mistake can be costly.
The new solution needed to centralize data, enhance customer service, simplify stock control, streamline invoicing and administrative tasks, increase accountability and traceability, improve operational efficiency and proficiency, unlock avenues for innovation, and enable additional services. Everything had to work online and offline, integrated within all scanners and printers.
The whole process of rebuilding, improving, and deploying the new application took only 11 months. Using traditional code would have taken 50% more time and investment than using a software development platform. Today, using AI capabilities and technologies that we have available to us, we'd be able to do it in even less time and cost. If you have a legacy system you need to replace, talk to us. We can show you how we can help you deliver it in a fraction of the time and cost as traditional development approaches.